What's up guys, I'm Formula Drift ProSpec driver Derek Madison and I drive the Fuel Lab Fuel Systems S14. Are you looking to get into the Formula Drift Pro Series like me? Let me share some tips with you. My number one first thing is I would always say, keep the car simple. Build it good, build it right, and make it reliable. Just get a basic setup that you know works and take it out and get seat time. The next thing is just slowly add on your upgrades. Because if you go from 0 to 100, you're gonna have a huge learning curve and you're not gonna know what to do. So add on an upgrade, get used to it, add on an upgrade, get used to it. I didn't start with 700 horsepower, I started with 300, and then I went to 400, and then 500, and now we're all the way up here. And you know, we kind of moved up and progressed as well. The third and final thing that I could suggest is get a mentor. Get yourself on a team and help out. That way you can learn so much from them. You can learn your setup, you can learn how programs work, and you can really set yourself up for success. Thank you so much guys. If you want to learn more about me and my car, find me on the Throdle app and give me a follow.